In this video, I'll guide you through how to pause or delete a listing on Vrbo. Whether you're taking a break from hosting or permanently stepping away, managing your listings effectively is crucial. Let's get started. First, you'll need to sign in to your Vrbo account and navigate to your owner dashboard. This is your control center for all your property listings. If you're not already familiar with it, take some time to explore the dashboard's features as it offers a wealth of tools to help you manage your properties efficiently. Once you're on the owner dashboard, look to the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll find various options that help you manage different aspects of your property. You'll want to click on the property section and then select property details. This area is where you can view all the specifics about your listing, including photos, descriptions, and importantly, the status of your listing. Now, focus on the listing status section. This is where you decide whether your property is active and visible to potential guests or not. If you need to pause your listing temporarily, you'll use the option to archive it. Archiving is a handy feature that essentially puts your listing on hold without deleting any of the information or settings you've already configured. It's perfect for when you need a break or are unable to host for a period of time. Once you've selected the option to archive your listing, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. This step is crucial because it ensures that you really intend to pause your listing and that it won't appear in search results or bookings until you decide to reactivate it. Double check your choice before confirming, and if you're sure, go ahead and proceed. It's important to understand that archiving is different from deleting. While archiving allows you to retain all your property details for future use, deleting a listing is more permanent. If you choose to delete, you will lose all associated data. And if you decide to list your property again in the future, you will need to start from scratch. As such, deleting should be reserved for when you're absolutely certain you no longer want to offer the property on Vrbo. Remember, if at any point you wish to reactivate a paused listing, you can do so easily by returning to the same section and selecting the appropriate option. This flexibility allows you to manage your properties according to your personal and business needs. And there you have it. Pausing or deleting a listing on Vrbo is straightforward once you know where to go. This simple guide has shown you how to navigate your owner dashboard to manage your property listings effectively. Whether you're taking a temporary break or stepping away from hosting altogether, you now have the tools to control your listings as needed. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, consider checking out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your Vrbo properties.